First thing you want to do is get a good grab. Then you attack it. Okay. Welding, you need to go from side to side. There's different techniques. You go from side to side. You can go in a C formation, make little C's, or a squiggly formation. It's basically L's, or O's if you want to call them. All the way. Now when you're welding, you want to go over those tags because you want them good and strong. You want to make sure that your tip, it's not too long or too short. If it's too long, it's not going to weld well. It's going to have too much fat. See? Nice and pretty.